Good morning to all. Dear online student, myself Vanita once again with your maths class. Students, I hope that by the end of this class, you have a new appreciation for the subject matter and all of you will continue your studies in the subject properly. Student, once again today I will continue your subtraction chapter. In this unit, 2 or 3 topics is left. First, subtract and check your answers, properties of subtraction and problem sum. I will discuss about these topics during this class. Students, already I have completed the subtraction and all of you have done it. But whether your answer is correct or not, how will you know about it? So there is a process. First you subtract and then you add the subtrahend and the difference. And if you are getting the same minuend, it means your answer is correct. In other words, you can say that after finding the difference, we can add to check the subtraction. If the sum equals to the number of subtracted from the, your answer is correct. Now for a clear concept, you watch this video. It will help to understand you.
Find the difference and check the answer. 9,99,532 minus 7,54,382. Let's solve the first problem. 9,99,532 minus 7,54,382. Subtract the ones first. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, subtract the tens. We cannot subtract 8 from 3. Therefore, borrow from the hundreds column and regroup. Now subtract. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Next, subtract the hundreds. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Next, subtract the thousands. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Next, subtract the 10,000s. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Finally, subtract the lakhs. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Now let's check our subtraction using addition. Add the difference and the subtrahend. We get 9,99,532, which is also the minuend. Hence, our subtraction is correct.
Next, properties of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the number itself. We are subtracting 0 from 7, then the number is, answer is the number itself. Subtraction rules, zeros in subtraction. What will happen? You have to see here. When you subtract 0 from a number, the difference is that number. And when you subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Next one, word problems. Here 2 examples are given. I am sending you these examples. All of you read the question properly and then see the solution. And you have to write the same questions and solutions in your copy to make your concept clear. And next, I will give you the classwork. Now, question is, there are 62,438 bags of rice in a godown. Out of these, 15,259 bags were sent to different markets for sale. How many bags of rice remained in the godown? This is subtraction and solution. In the same process, you have to write in your copy. First, you write the total number of bags. Then you subtract the number of bags sent to different market. Now your answer is number of bags left, that is 47,179. Now your second example is Mr. Gupta's monthly salary is rupees 12,530. His wife earns rupees 550 less than Mr. Gupta. Find the monthly salary of Mrs. Gupta. As we know, after working we get the salary. Here Mr. Gupta and Mrs. Gupta both are earning, but her wife's earning is less than Mr. Gupta, and that amount is rupees 550. So the solution is, first you write Mr. Gupta's monthly salary, that is 12,530, and write down the less salary of Mrs. Gupta, and you subtract this one. After subtraction we are getting 11,980, that is the salary of Mrs. Gupta. Next one is subtraction orally. You have to subtract 30 from 90 orally. So steps are given here. You have to follow these steps. Check the monument and subtrahend are in the same places, that is tens. Next second step, in 90 and 30, 1 0 is on the right and hence in the difference. So step 3, you write put 0 and again you subtract 3 from 9, that is 6. In this way you can subtract orally. In the same way you can subtract 500 from 900, 2000 from 6000. In 900 and 500 the two zeros are on the right and hence in the difference. So 9 minus 5, 4, and you put the 20, it will be your answer. Same process in the second example also. Now students, it's your time to solve your classwork. Your classwork is worksheet 5, question number 3 and question number 4. Perform the following subtraction and check the answers. Already I have discussed it in the previously. You follow that process and do your work. Your next question is, find the difference between the largest number of 5 digits and the smallest number of 3 digits. First you write the largest number of 5 digits and then you write the smallest number of 3 digits and you subtract it, then you will get the difference. So all of you start your work now. Worksheet 6, it is also your classwork based on the properties of the subtraction. Very easy. I know that all of you can do it. Do it properly. Last but not the least, it's the time of homework. It worksheet 7, subtract orally. It is your homework. All of you will do it in your maths copy. Next homework is worksheet 8, that is word problems. Earlier I discussed about it. You will write the statements properly and then solve it. Most probably I will take your class test on Friday. So be ready for it. All of you will revise your unit 1 and unit 2. I will take your class test. Thank you. Have a nice day.